Hello, coming to you pre-recorded from the wet meadow. It's Reading with Dave. Today's book, Dig, Dogs Dig. I like the rhymes in this one. Just gonna give you a heads up. This book is by James Horvath. My apologies. And it's put out by Scholastic. Does not seem to be an illustrator's name, but that is okay. Somebody put these pictures together, and we appreciate it. Okay. Wake up, dogs. You're going to be late. The sun is up. There's no time to wait. Grab your gloves, hard hats and boots, shovels, goggles, and dirt digging suits. Eat some breakfast on the go. Quickly now, you're moving too slow. Hop in your trucks, there's work to be done. Get to the job site. Run, dogs, run. Yeah. Sound effects are included. That's a bonus. Down the road and over the hill, driving big trucks takes plenty of skill. Around the corner and through the pass, stop at the station to fill up with gas. Okay, dogs, we're at the site. There's lots to do before it's night. Start up the loader, dump truck, and grader, and bulldozer, backhoe, and excavator. The excavator digs deep with its scoop, pulling up dirt with a swish and a swoop. Push and plow and clear the way, the bulldozer makes it look easy each day. The loader picks up a rocky big bite and moves out the rubble with all of its might. Hauling away dirt and sand, gravel and rock, the big strong dump truck works round the clock. There's trouble in the pit. We've hit something big. Get down in the hole and dig, dogs, dig. Special effects. Down in the pit, there's some busting to do with hammers and a pick and a rock splitter too. A job like this calls for a crane with its winch and its hook and its long, heavy chain. It's a dinosaur fossil, a huge T-Rex bone. With a tug, it breaks loose from its prehistoric home. Ooh, there's a mourning dove. Oh, okay, a little short. Okay, do you want to answer me? That's fine. I didn't do a very good call. Maybe in a little bit. Back to our story. Now get back to work. Get back to your crew. Hurry up, dogs. There's more work to do. The graders perform their dance-like maneuvers as the ground is made smooth by these heavy earth movers. Well, that was my favorite verse. The cement mixer spins and the concrete pours, but there's no time to waste. We're going to need more. Sand, gravel, blocks, and some 4x4 sticks. The forklift comes over to pick up the bricks. Building has started. Here come more big trucks, hauling plants and trees, and even some ducks. 1-800-DUCKS. They're there when you need them. More equipment arrives. Unload it with care. Check it, unpack it, and stack it right there. Clear way for the flatbed. Clear the way. Let him pass. He's hauling our trees and 10 acres of grass. Whew. Move out of the way. That's what I say every day. More dogs arrive with ratchets and wrenches, building fountains and fences, bathrooms and benches. Unpack the boxes. Follow directions. Make sure it's built right so it passes inspection. A little shaky there. The workday is over. It's now almost dark. We have just enough time to enjoy our new park. Great work, crew. It's a place all your own. There's even a spot for that dinosaur bone. This job is complete. We've built something new. Tomorrow we'll find a new job to do. And that might be the end of our story. We will say goodbye to Duke, Roxy, Buddy, Max, Spot, Spike, Jinx, and a pile of materials. Wow, that was great. One of my favorites. Thanks again for joining me while we read outside together.